trim and it fit really nice on the driver's side. Then I reversed the pattern and I made it, cut it all out rough, and went to go test fit it on there. And the door on the passenger side was 1.5 inches longer than the door on the driver's side. And but you know, you can only look at one side of the car at a time, so. And probably no one had ever noticed or cared before then. So, you know, it's just a different
I've read same kind of stories about Ferraris.
Oh, Italian cars are the worst. They're the absolute worst. I had a classmate, she was interning at a shop when we were students that specialized in Alphas. And they had 3 of the exact same cars built within 2 years of each other. And all 3 of them were wired completely differently. From the factory. You know, you had a team of guys that worked on this car. And however they thought it was the best way to do it, that's how they did it. If one guy wanted to run the wires down this side of the car, and somebody else wanted to run it down, who cared? You know, let's just get the car built. It's, like I said, it was just a different philosophy. But that's, when we get into, it's